ng 4 distrito. Hindi po kami papayag sa impounding po sa Candaba Swamp. That is a wrong concept and we are not going to allow that. At dyan po sa Candaba, dyan po nag-umpisa ang Hukbalahap movement. If you want a security problem, sirain niyo po yung hanap buhay po ng lahat ng mga magsasaka sa Candaba. Magwo-walk out po kami dito.
Ma'am, excuse me. The total Candaba Swamp is 2,000 hectares. Okay. Now, imbis na nababaha yung buong 2,000, like what's happening today?
Sir, Candaba Swamp and impounding is not the problem. There are many problems that includes, number 1, subsidence for downriver. Number 2,
I'm sorry?
subsidence for or sinking of the land.
But
Opo.
that's what precisely what he was explaining, is that hindi na nga hindi na napuno na. So, hindi natin sa downriver sa inyo. Kaya nga hindi na bumababa yung tubig dahil puno na dito sa baba.
Naiimbuto po.
Kaya nga, pero hindi, this is not something that we're doing intentionally. It is
Eh,
something
hindi
that
po.
has happened because napakalakas ng ulan.
Hindi po napakalakas ng ulan because the water in
Napakalakas
Candaba
ng ulan dun sa
is
taas,
normal.
kaya bumaba yung tubig.
Yes po, but the
All right.
water level was
Let's,
not abnormally high.
instead of arguing about it, what do you suggest?
Ito po ang suggestion ko. I will go, reasons, no? Sige na po, okay, excessive rain. But this is not the largest storm that ever hit Pampanga. Number 2 po, silting po. The rivers are silted down river.
Let me focus you a little more
Opo.
clearly. What is your objection to the plan as Mr. Babe Singson has just done?
My objection to the plan, Candaba po, is this has been going on for a long
What
time.
has been
Gusto
going
po
on?
nila, yung tubig po sa Candaba, gagamitin po sa kanilang waterworks. Ngayon po, Candaba is, ito lang food security po ang importante sa Candaba. Hindi po natin pwedeng galawin. And number 2, this is private land. Hindi po pwedeng mag-impounding lang po ng
Okay,
tubig
so what's the
doon.
solution?
The solution po is to continue dredging, to check po on the flood control plan po of the Bulacan Airport to make sure makalabas po yung tubig.
Having supervised
And-
and administered all these dredging projects all around the country, they are temporary and exceedingly expensive.
Sir, meron po kaming Korean loan that's going to happen. So sana po matuloy po yun.
Everywhere that we dredge, bumabalik din eh. Hukay ka ng hukay, tapos after 6 months, wala pang 6 months, puno na naman.
Ang meron po namin is dredging with slope protection. That is the subject of our
The,
Korean
the, the,
loan.
the siltation does not come from the slope. The siltation comes from upriver.
Totoo naman po yun.
It's upriver dahil nakalbo na yung mga bundok natin. So bumababa ang topsoil. And kahit na i-dredge mo, bababa pa rin yan. So that's the problem. You cannot continue to dredge. Number 1, I will tell you, first, it is a very temporary solution. It lasts for, maganda na yung 4 to 6 months. Tapos magde-dredge ka ulit. Number 2, napakamahal gawin. So, we cannot continue to do this as a solution na every season magde-dredge tayo. Malulugi ang buong gobyerno kung yan lang ang gagawin natin. We have to find a long-term solution. Now, the Candaba Swamp is not being proposed to be used as for one thing or another except as an impounding to keep the water up here na hindi bumababa. Hindi naman sisirain yung hanap buhay doon. Swamp na nga eh. Dadagdagan lang ng tubig. So I know you feel strongly about it, but I don't quite understand why.
Ito lang po, no, sa Candaba Swamp po, this is very important. Food security po ang Candaba Swamp. The Candaba po, 3 plants 3 times a year. Pag linagyan nyo po yan ng tubig, dadagdag naman po ang rice import natin. In fact, the 4th District of Pampanga is the only rice-producing region right now in Pampanga. Pag i-impound nyo po yung tubig, wala na pong rice dito.
Ayaw sa amin.